How to make your hair pretty. Why do hairs called crowning glory? You can't actually do a total makeover without doing something with your hair. Hair technology at present is so advanced that you can actually change. Only they are prettier than usual. The ways on how to make your hair pretty are manageable if you care enough to take care of yourself. Here are steps you can take. 1. Wash with shampoo and conditioner regularly. Frequent washing with shampoo alone can make your hair dry. Natural oil is produced by the hair glands, but even that could be removed after washing. Conditioners, as the name implies, conditions the hair and scalp that trigger hair glands to replace lost oil. They also make hair smooth. Try different brands of shampoo and conditioners to see which ones suit you best. 2. Apply hair moisturizers as needed. Some hair types need more moisture. If your hair stays tangled even if you never fail to condition your hair, apply leave-on conditioners, oil or moisturizing lotions formulated specifically for the hair. A small amount of processed virgin coconut oil is a good alternative if you want some savings while still maintaining a shiny hair. 3. Free your hair with dandruff. No matter how nice your hairstyle is, dandruff can make it look awful in split seconds. Hot oil treatments can clear your scalp and prevent it from coming back. You have the choice of enjoying some time in the salon while reading magazines or do it yourself where it's convenient. Supplement the need by using anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioners. 4. Cut hair following a pattern suitable to the shape of your face. Hairstylists know better which haircut is right for your face and personality. You can experiment by following a trendy hair fashion, but just be ready to spend more if you are not comfortable with it. You can keep the freshness of your favorite haircut by trimming your hair every now and then. This would prevent split ends and discolorization at the tips of the hair. 5. Nourish hair when treatments are applied. You have to do extra care if you went through the process of curling, coloring, highlighting, straightening, rebending. Salon services would definitely cost you more, but you can buy recommended products for home use. Your efforts will definitely be rewarded with beautiful hair at a lesser cost. You can also continue doing household chores as you kill time to allow oil absorption into your scalp. You can achieve this by wrapping your head with a warm towel for 20 minutes or so. 6. Wear a hairstyle that is comfortable to you. It is realistic to get a wash and wear hairstyle. You can expect to have pretty hair daily without too much work. All you need is renew the process every 6 months or as needed. You may have to spend substantial amount whenever you do it. But if you make calculations on the amount of time you saved plus the small little things you spend on managing an unruly hair, it's all worth it. Hair treatment that involve applying chemicals and heat are logically damaging to the hair. These are necessary, however, when changing your natural hair to the opposite, like from curly to straight. You might wonder how to make your hair pretty in situations like this. Visit Billihealth.com to know more about how to make your hair pretty.